Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to transfer passwords from Chrome to Firefox. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Firefox browser on your computer. Once Firefox is up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Firefox's main configuration area, where you can manage all aspects of your browser. Once you're in the settings page, you'll notice a sidebar on the left side of the screen with different categories. Make sure you're currently on the Account and Sync section. This is where Firefox handles all your syncing preferences and data import features, making it the perfect place to bring in your saved passwords from other browsers. Now scroll down through the Account and Sync section until you come across an option labeled Import Browser Data. This feature is specifically designed to help you migrate your information from other browsers like Chrome, making the transition seamless and straightforward. Directly underneath this heading, you'll see a button that says Import Data. Click on it to begin the import process. A new window will appear with import options. At the top of this window, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select your Google Chrome profile from the list of available browsers. Firefox will automatically detect any browsers installed on your computer, so Chrome should appear as one of the options. This ensures you're importing data from the correct source. After selecting Chrome, you'll notice a plus icon beside the text Import All Available Data. Click on this plus icon to expand the detailed import options. This gives you more control over exactly what information you want to transfer from Chrome to Firefox. By default, you might see Select All is already checked, which would import everything from Chrome, including bookmarks, history, cookies, and passwords. Since you only want to transfer passwords, uncheck the Select All option first. Then specifically check the checkbox next to Saved Passwords. This ensures only your password data will be imported, keeping your Firefox browser clean and organized without unnecessary data you don't need. With your selection made, click the Import button to begin the transfer. Firefox will now process your Chrome passwords and add them to your Firefox Password Manager. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on how many passwords you have saved, and that's it. You've successfully transferred all your saved passwords from Chrome to Firefox, and you can now access them whenever you need to log into your accounts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.